Today I have come with the important topic of pharmacology, which is hypertension. Hypertension is a very important topic which is asked frequently in your exams and in also in Viva YC questions. So I have to discuss hypertension in a very brief form. So first you have to know about that their causes. So there are two causes of hypertension. First is essential or primary hypertension, and second one is secondary hypertension. The primary hypertension, their 95% of their cause is unknown, and secondary is only 5%, and their major causes are Cushing syndrome, pheochromocytoma, and Cone syndromes. And I also discuss their stages, which is most commonly asked in your examination in your theory paper and also in your viva voice questions. In stage 1, that the bp is more than 140 by 90. In stage 2, the bp is 160 and diastolic is 100. In severe hypertension, their bp is more than 180 and 110. So this is the brief introduction of hypertension. But in term of pharmacology, you have to know about their drugs. So I have to mention that any drug you have to discuss in your examination, you have to know about the four main features of these drugs. Like first is mechanism of action, you have to know that mechanism of action. Second one is indication, what are their uses and their most common side effect, because in your exam pattern in NUMS you have to focus on main side effect, not the nausea, vomiting and diarrhea. They ask the most common side effect of any drug. And the fourth one is the contraindication. So I have to discuss the one drug of hypertension, that is angiotensin converting enzyme, that is ACE inhibitor. So I have to discuss this drug according to the need of paper and your viva voice question, and these type of scenarios are come in your exam on frequently basis. So first you have to know about the mechanism of action. Like in angiotensin converting enzyme, that angiotensin converting enzyme block which inhibit the conversion of angiotensin 1 to angiotensin 2 to release renin, because the renin is the cause of vasoconstriction. So if they cause vasoconstriction, the bp will increase, so they block the mechanism. So they block the enzyme there, which is angiotensin converting enzyme. So angiotensin 1 not will convert into angiotensin 2, so they will not release the renin. So this is the basic mechanism of action which is frequently come in your paper, and examiner ask this mechanism of action. And what are their indications, their uses? Like in acute hypertension, which is my mean about acute hypertension. In acute hypertension you have to know about that most of the time you have seen that the people are uses any drug which are placed in sublingual mean you have placed under the tongue, which is most common name is capotin. So it is decrease the blood pressure more accurately and more rapidly. So other causes is hypertension, like in you have to prescribe this medication to lower the blood pressure. Third is congestive cardiac failure. Fourth is diabetic nephropathy. You have to know about that the most important drug of diabetic nephropathy is ACE inhibitor, which is come in your MCQs question. So you have to know that the most common drug used in the diabetic nephropathy. So you have to take the option that is ACE inhibitor. And the fourth one is the left ventricular dysfunctioning. Now we have to come to side effects. So I have mentioned only the most common side effect. I have to mention that the most important is cough. You have to return, they only ask the one symptom of ACE inhibitor, so you have to write cough, because if you prescribe the ACE inhibitor on a long term basis, the patient will develop cough. The second most common is hyperkalemia. Third is hypotension, and the fourth is skin rash. So these are the four main side effect of the these angiotensin converting enzyme inhibitor drug. And the contraindication, this is most commonly occur in your MCQs, and examiner ask this question, and in your as a scenario question, the what are the contraindication of ACE inhibitor. So bilateral renal artery stenosis, the ACE inhibitors are contraindicated. So I have to mention these mechanism of action, indication, side effect, and contraindication. So if you prepare any drugs, so this is the pattern. You have to go through any drug with these pattern, like in mechanism of action, indication, side effect and contraindication. If you know the drug about these pattern, you have learn all the drugs very easily, and you have not forget any side effect, any mechanism of action. So I hope you will understand it. And I have discussed all the cardiac drugs like beta blocker, calcium channel blocker, and diuretics in the upcoming lecture. So thank you.